YouTube, I don't know what's going on. They changed. Hello, everyone on TikTok as well. If you guys just coming on, please hit that screen for me and share my live. Thank you. No, you're not. You're for real? Look, everyone asks me, am I a professional of doing makeup? And I'm really not. I just like to. Wanna, if you're still on, I want to overcome my shy girl area too. Era. Because I get nervous. I start saying any and everything. Like, I don't know why I do that. But I try to play it off. And I think doing this YouTube and TikTok is giving me an opportunity to speak up more for myself and also just be in my own and to also just appreciate myself, because it's also showing that you can't please everybody. Hi, precious baby. Oh, thank you. You guys are all so sweet. I guess you guys want me to go live more often. Look, I'm going to go live because usually I try to be on live like at 10 o'clock. But before I go to work. But I was so sleepy. The power went out, you guys, last night. I didn't even finish my videos. I said I have to finish these videos. So the power went out at 11 and it came back on to 1:30. So I had to get up, apply this liner. If you guys just coming into my live on TikTok, please tap on that screen for me, please, and share my live. Show your girl some love. And on YouTube, if you're just coming in as well, tap on that screen for me and also share my live. My name is Shauna. I think I had told you that before. Precious baby, right? My name is Shauna. So I'm going to just apply this liner. And I'm going to apply my ear. Oops. Above the lash line. I'm going to see how good this glue really works. Let's see if it's better than that other glue. So I'm just going to let it dry a little bit. It smells like nail polish. Okay. Then I'm going to bend it and I'm going to apply it above my lash line. If you guys just joining my live, please tap on that screen for me. Show me some love and also share my live. Okay. So we have that on, and then we're going to apply the concealer. Okay. Oh, Miss Yvonne, I put the Elf grip powder, primer on, and it makes my skin smooth. What you think? Okay, Okay, so I'm going to use my 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And I'm going to apply it here. And then I'm going to use my lighter concealer as well. My hands. Oh, thank you, Wanna. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to use my other lighter concealer. I think this one is called Carto. So I want to kind of tone it down. I don't want to be too light. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit. I'm trying to see, should I put another like makeup eyeshadow? TikTok, I have 1,325, I believe. Sophie and Precious Baby. Thank you. What colors should I use next? Nobody? Nobody want to say anything? So I'm going to use Dubai. It's like a lighter beige color. I'm just going to put it in the inner corner here. Dang, and I still keep forgetting about my brush. You said red? Red I should put in the inner corner of my eye. The only color I have in this eyeshadow palette is the Millionaire. Is that okay? If you can see it? That one right there. Okay, I put a little bit. Let me get. What kind of eyeliner? Well, what color eyeliner should I use? No, I don't. Precious Baby. How about you? Okay. Trying to make sure that my wing is perfect. Okay. I'll put something on my lips. I'm using Nicka K Glam Lip Oil, which you can find at your local beauty supply store. That is affordable. I think it's like $3.99. And I gotta find out which color. Should I do a dark blue eyeliner? Same here, Precious Baby. Should I do a blue? Like a lighter blue or darker blue eyeliner? What you guys think on TikTok? Should I do a lighter, like a blue or dark blue eyeliner? Light blue? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go back and apply some concealer to fix that. And then I'm going to apply some mascara. Oh, thank you. I'm just going to apply some mascara on my lower lash line. I see, yeah, but they'll come back. If they don't, they'll come back and they go in and out on YouTube. It's okay. So we have that look there. Okay, so what you guys think so far? The makeup. Before, after. Okay, so we're going to do the opposite. Alright, what you guys think so far? Perfect, so I'll wake up just in time. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Because if you don't catch my live, I usually try to post them on YouTube so you guys can go back and see what I did or, you know, what I talked about. So I try to keep it very fun and entertaining a little bit. I forgot to play some music. Probably tonight I'll play some music because I have to get ready for work. I'm a little behind, but it's okay because I don't mind talking to you guys. What you guys think about my makeup? She's giving God. This was such a loving, calming energy live. Oh, thank you. Look, I tried to change the background and everything so I can bring you guys in and enjoy and doing my makeup, and you guys can help me with my makeup because sometimes I don't know which colors to choose from, so I just do the best. But I'm finna get ready to end this live. I do appreciate everyone coming today on both platforms, YouTube and TikTok. I thank you guys so much. Kayla looks beautiful. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys have it on TikTok, please follow me on my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. We're 35 subscribers away from 11,000. Also follow me on Instagram. We need to get to 10,000 subscribers. I have probably maybe about 700 people that need to follow or more. But follow me on Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and my personal Instagram page is sexyriri_93, sexy SEXY, and it's Riri REE_93. And I think that's about it. Those are the most platforms I be on. So if you guys haven't already, follow me on all platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. That's where you guys can find me. And if you have any questions, you guys can also write underneath my picture on YouTube. And you guys can also inbox me on Instagram as well. So thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, Juana. And I will see you guys later on tonight. And I will try to stay on probably a good 30 minutes. And thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys later. Bye.